How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true Phoenix. 460 LE rebuild. Not really a rebuild, but I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. And I'm going to follow behind this guy who's a transmission rebuilder on transmissionbench.com. I'm going to follow him behind. I'm going to do everything that this guy says. And we're going to see if we can get this transmission working. So anyway, without further ado, here we go. It's transmissionbench.com. I'm not going to start with the introduction video. I'm going to start at the beginning where he's telling us who he is and everything.
This video classroom lesson is sponsored by Transmission Bench. Visit the transmissionbench.com store for the deluxe super kit, other parts, and even the video classroom lessons used during this project. Hello again. This is Project 4L60E, Part 1, Lesson 2. Let me introduce the star of our project, and it's not me. Our celebrity for the rest of the project is a somewhat stained but pretty clean 4L60E. It has even more of an identity, and you'll find it right here.
That's where we're going to stop right there.
This tag provides a lot of information.
All right, this is where we're going to stop right here. I'm going to identify the transmission that I'm working on. My transmission doesn't have a tag, but he, somewhere down the line in this video, showed me where the tag was. So we're looking for what was printed on the transmission. So what we're going to be looking for is those numbers. And the main numbers we want to look for is 4K CD or something similar to that. Specifically KCD specifically. Let's see what he has to say, what it means, and then we'll go and identify the one that I'm getting ready to work on.
The first character 4 denotes production year 2004. The next two, C and K, indicate it was paired to a 5.3 liter engine. D means 4L60E.
All right.
There is more info on the tag, and if you want to learn more about identification, watch my video entitled 4L60E Design Changes and Tags.
All right, we're going to start right there. 4KCD is what he divided, what he said was, and he said that the 4 indicated 2004, the KC indicated 5.3, and the D indicated 460 LE. So I have conveniently located this tag underneath here, and we are going to try to identify this tag here. Hopefully. Let's see if we can get in on it. Let's see. Can we get a little bit closer to that? There. So we are getting a, if it would just focus. Can't get it focused, but looks like it's reversed or something too. Let me pause the camera and really get down in there so that, well, there's the identification right there. Let me see if I can see with my bare eyes here. Let's see. I see a, I don't see anything. I see a 268A. Wow. I see a couple of things. Let me turn the camera off and get back with you guys in a minute. wonder if I can pause it.